All right, I'm going to attempt to remove these absolutely gorgeous clothes hangers. This van might be 1990, but I'm pretty sure these were crafted in 1974. Absolutely beautiful and wonderfully preserved items of the distant past. Spectacular coloring with the varnish of the day. All right, one down and one to go. Another spectacular clothes hanging specimen. Fantastic. Far easier than removing seats. You know, I think I'm going to take on this state-of-the-art stereo and absolutely fantastic Executive 3050D with auto level control system. Well, let's see what kind of secrets you're hiding. What mysteries do you hide? Doesn't look too complicated. Antenna, straight ahead old style speaker connectors. Gotta love that. Quick connect. Beautiful. And this thing. Are you gonna be the problem? Where do you go? Oh, connectors. Love connectors. Wonderful, lovely, good connectors. For you, my friend, we have quick release, soft touch, thing of beauty, 12 volt cassette AM FM radio. All right, a lot of dead space back there. Fantastic. And remove these. So what I'll likely do here is, and maybe I'll study this a little further and find out why I shouldn't do this, but I'm likely to cut just one big hole and have one big door. That's what I'd likely do with this space if I keep it. If I want to lose the headroom here. And we have these lovely, useless, wonderful dowel things. You can actually take the dowels out easily, allowing you access to the screws, but of course they didn't use the star screws that they used in other spots. They used square heads on this one. Gotta love them. Because we wouldn't want to use anything that would make the job easier. Oh, am I complaining? Was I just complaining? And knock that off. Be unstoppable. Marvelous. Wonderful. I think next I'll take on this little switch. careful. Wow. This thing has an entire TV station wired right here on this switch. TV, radio, reel-to-reels, 8-tracks. Yeah, I've seen hospitals wired with less wire. But fortunately, if you just keep pulling on it, more connectors. I love connectors. Oh yeah, and they just, oh yeah. So there's our switch without having to cut anything. Somebody already cut a few things. More connectors. Love connectors. And it's been a while since I did this, but it used to be that these now I'll get the right tool for that later. Well, just cleaned up for today. Whole lot less stuff in here.
So won't you please send me a note? I'd love to see just what you wrote. And if you could, please hit subscribe. Your thoughtful words help me survive.